sorry?
From the cooking show.
Welcome back to the cooking show with Molly and Daddy. We are back. We took our little winter hibernation, kind of like what animal takes a hibernation in the winter time?
Bear.
Yeah, we kind of got our grizzly bear on. We tucked away.
My grandma said to tell my daddy, so when are we doing another cooking show? And this is what we're doing. Let's do another cooking show.
So we are right back at it. We're at the cooking show. But before we get started, it's been so long. We actually need to say hi and thank you and give shout outs to a bunch of people. You see, over the holidays, there were so many of Molly's fans that said hi on our videos. They commented on our YouTube channel. They commented on our Facebook page. And we even had some fans who got Molly some presents during the holiday season. And we want to say thank you to all those people. So Molly, why don't you say thank you to some of those people now? First, who do you want to say nice and loud? Say thank you to
Nicole and her sister.
That's right, and also say it loud. Yeah, say it to the camera. Yeah.
Janny.
And then Mitnit. And of course, we've got to say thank you to
Barbara.
And and we've also got people sending in videos. A while back, we did some pancakes, and we sent in a picture of Jack eating his pancakes. We have one of our good fans, Emma, who sent us a picture of her watching the cooking show with Molly and Daddy. And Grammy and Papa. So, if you have any of those things and you want to send us a shout out or send us pictures of you guys cooking stuff or watching us cook stuff, we love to see that, right, Molly? Well, this last name is who we have to thank today, because you see, today we are going to be making some Trader Joe cookie in a can barrel jar, and they look delicious. They are brown sugar, peanut butter, candied chocolate, oat and coffee, graham cracker crumb cookies.
Oh, that's a wow.
And the person who we have to thank today for this is
Shannon?
Cheryl. Say thank you to Cheryl.
Thank you, Cheryl.
Thank you, Cheryl. Good fan. She bought this for Molly, and we are going to be cooking it today.
I love peanut butter.
She loves peanut butter. Who doesn't love peanut butter? Actually, Molly, there was a big debate at our school on the Monarch experience. Check it out, playing now. And the big debate was if you are a chunky peanut butter or a creamy peanut butter fan. Are you a creamy peanut butter or a chunky peanut butter fan? Do you like chunks in your peanut butter, or do you like it flat and creamy?
Flat and creamy.
Yeah, she's a creamy. In fact, we stepped up to creamy. Mommy started buying whipped peanut butter. I didn't even know that was a thing, but you've been liking that on your sandwiches lately, the whipped creamy peanut butter, right? She's not even sure. We put the food in front of her. She eats it. It's all good. No problem there. So, are we ready to get to today's show?
Yes.
Before we do that, though,
Can I say a joke?
I was just going to say, I think it's time for a joke. Go for it.
Where did the pencil go on vacation?
Where did the pencil go on vacation? Oh, wait. Hawaii. No. Where did... Pennsylvania. That is a good one. Do you have any other jokes?
Yes.
Okay, give us another joke.
What flower talks the most?
What flower talks the most? I bet it is the rose.
No. Tulip. It has
two
lips.
My good. Speaking of lips, Molly, give the people at home a huge smile. Give them a huge smile. Oh my goodness, Molly, tell the people what they're looking at right now. What happened?
A no tooth.
You lost a tooth. Is that your first tooth? You lost your first tooth? That's crazy. And what happens when you lose teeth?
The tooth fairy comes, and I have a joke for you.
Wait. Did the tooth fairy visit you?
Yes.
And what did the tooth fairy...
I said I wanted $20, and I got $20 because the tooth fairy said it's a big cried.
Because it was your first tooth. I doubt the tooth fairy is going to be being that nice moving forward, right?
Did you know the tooth fairy said it wrote?
The tooth fairy said a joke to you?
Uh-huh.
What was the joke that the tooth fairy gave you? I think this was the joke. Maybe you remember the answer. I believe the tooth fairy asked you, who gives tooth presents at Christmas time?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Because he flosses his teeth.
That tooth fairy's got some familiar sounding jokes. Anyways, it's time to get to the cooking show. What do you think?
Yeah!
Let's do it. So today we are making our cookies. The first thing we've got an egg. Molly, she's gonna beat the egg.
I'm gonna crack it.
How about I crack? I give it to you, you break it open. You wanna actually crack it, hit it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You're gonna hit it on this bowl. Very good. Do it a little bit more, turn it around. All right, now we're gonna open it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was perfect. No. We don't crunch the eggs. All right, take our new whisk from Grammy. Oh, you whisk, I'll get you a napkin. You whisk that egg. Wow, look at that. Show everyone the great whisking job you did without spilling the egg. That is great. All right, so now we're gonna pour that into here. Perfect. Perfect, nice job. All right, can you start mixing that? In the bowl, we've got some soft butter and a little bit of water. She's mixing with the eggs right now, very carefully, very carefully. You ready to pour this entire jar of cookie in?
Yeah.
All right, Vicky, we're gonna do it. It has several layers, but we're gonna mix them all in right now. Oh. Uh-oh. All right, should we soften it up a little bit? Oh my goodness, look at this. A little bit. There it goes. Oh, all those M&Ms are gonna come falling out. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here they come. Here they come. Ready?
Whoa!
Yeah, keep shaking, keep shaking. Whoa! Comes the oatmeals, the peanut butter, the M&Ms, the sugar, the flour. I think we got everything. All right, let's mix it up.
I'm gonna mix it.
Yeah, go mix.
Oh.
Whoa.
Get this shrimp. Let's do that with my hands. There we go. Can you do it now, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I never saw a purple M&M. Mommy, have you ever seen a purple M&M?
A what?
A purple M&M.
Oh, I don't think I've ever seen
There is a purple M&M in there.
Crazy.
Oh. I'm putting my hand into the yummy dish.
So Molly's gonna put her hands into the mix. She's gonna take out a little of the cookies. Molly, you wanna show? No, not that much. Ready? I'm gonna show you how much.
This much?
You about that much. Perfect. Into a little ball. All right, and she's gonna plop it down onto our parchment paper. Perfect. We're gonna spread them out just a little bit more though, Molly, just so they don't come onto each other. This is perfect. So we're gonna make about a tray of these guys, and then here comes the interesting part. We're actually gonna put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. So we've got some downtime. Molly and I are probably gonna go do a puzzle. Yeah. All right. And then we'll come back and we'll.
No, it's mine. I have to do it.
Yeah, you're doing it.
But you were helping me. Put that up. It's peanut butter.
Peanut butter. I'm just doing one. You're doing a whole bunch.
What?
All right, so we are gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna put them straight into the oven about 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And as soon as that's all done, we will come back to you. We will show you what they look like. Right, Mom?
Yeah. Hello, we are back, and we're gonna do family taste. Daddy, me, and Brooke, and my sister.
All right, so we're ready to taste. So we got a little costume change going here. We added an extra member to our family taste test, and we've got our super cookies ready to go
A Cookie Monster.
on Cookie Monster. All right, everyone, take your cookie, Brooke,
Let me see.
and then one for Daddy. All right, everyone has their cookie.
Mm-hmm.
All right, everyone say cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, cookies. All right, cheers, and eat. What flavors are you picking up?
All of them.
All of them? I'm feeling a lot of graham cracker.
I'm feeling like all of them because I can't even taste any of it.
So they all blended well together. Okay. All right. I definitely can taste the peanut butter. Brooke, what about you? What
I
flavor
can
do you
taste the
taste?
peanut butter
You taste
too.
peanut butter too? What about you, Brooke? Brooke, come closer this way so they can see you.
Candy.
You taste cotton candy. Well, that would be a surprise. All right. So what do we say? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right. So remember, if you want to leave us a note, leave us a comment on YouTube. Hit off our Facebook page up. All right. Other than that, what do we say, everybody?
Thank you.
Thank you and bye-bye. So Molly, after you're done baking, what is it that you're doing here?
Oh, I'm washing.
So that's a really big help. A lot of people forget that part of, cooking is the cleanup and the washing, right? It's very important. Who got this for you?
Grammy and Papa.
All right, you can open it up. Molly, since you're a big chef, can you tell everyone all the different pieces that are in there?
This is measuring spoons. These are maybe some molds. You just have to put them this way. You just have to put them this way, and then it just comes out like 3D. Here's all the molds, a heart, smiley face, some words and stuff. We got some, and we got the giant cookie star mold, and we got some wrappers.
For what? What do we put in those wrappers, you think?
Maybe
Cupcakes?
cookies.
Cookies, okay.
This is maybe like a mold, and this is a bowl.
A bowl?
Here's even giant measure spoons. And now we got our knife.
Ooh,
to
be
cut.
careful with that knife, right?
It's just a pretend.
Well, no, it's a real knife.
Wait, what? Oh, and there's more cupcake wrappers, but these are rubber. They're very rubber. See,
Cool.
they're rubber.
What's this guy?
This guy is to mix the dough.
Are you sure it's not to whisk eggs?
No, wait. Are we making eggs?
Well, not today.
So then it doesn't have to.
Okay.